Thank you for your interest in the Craftsman wireless keyless entry pad. This video will walk you step by step through the simple process of programming your new keyless entry. This video applies only to Craftsman branded garage door openers manufactured after January 1st, 1993, or openers that have smart or learn buttons that are green, red, orange, purple, or yellow. To begin, you need to set up your system for programming. You can do this in 2 steps. You must program your keyless entry pad before you mount it and from inside the garage. We'll begin the programming inside the garage with the garage door closed. On your garage door opener, locate the Smart button, or, on some models, the Learn button. Now, on your keyless entry pad, press and hold the star and pound buttons at the same time until the lights on the keypad stop blinking. Now, on the garage door opener, press and release the Smart or Learn button. The LED will light. Within 30 seconds, you can complete programming. On the keypad, enter the 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN, you want to use. Next, press and release the Enter button. Then, look for the garage door opener light bulb to blink. If it doesn't blink, slowly press and release the Enter button on the keypad again until the light bulb blinks. But be careful not to press the button again after the light blinks. Press 0 to finish programming. To test, enter the PIN that you just programmed and then press Enter. Your garage door will open. To change an existing PIN on a keyless entry pad, enter the programmed PIN you want to change. Then, press and hold down the pound button until the bulb on the garage door opener blinks twice. Enter the new 4-digit PIN number you want to use and then press the Enter button. The garage door opener light bulb will blink once. To test, enter your new PIN number and then press the Enter button. Your garage door will open. Thank you for your interest and enjoy your new Craftsman keyless entry pad.